Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of iMeme Official. Today we'll learn how to enable AI on Google search. So as usual, I am Meme and you are watching iMeme Official. So without wasting further time, let's begin. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser on your desktop or tablet or whatever device you are using. Make sure it's Android or something like it has Google account. Alright, so after opening, you'll see on your desktop browser, you'll see top right corner the experiment icon this type of symbol. Okay, just keep your mouse over here. You'll see search labs. Okay, just click on this icon and it will take you to the page where you can access or enable the Google SGE, which is generative AI in search, like something similar to Microsoft Bing. Okay, so when you come to this page, you'll see some information like supercharge your search to find what you are looking for in faster and easier ways. So it's like similarly, if you have used Microsoft Bing, then you know how it actually works. So it's just get you faster and easier ways to get the search results, and it's AI powered overviews to quickly get this gist of a topic and easily follow up with that. So you just simply have to toggle this button on, and you'll see some information like you just have to agree with these policies, whatever it is. Turning on SGE will give you access to a new generative AI experiment in search. So you can go through the privacy policy and all the other instruction if you wish. So I'm just clicking agree here and just okay. Now just click on try an example to see an example how it works. So we can see that example is here. How to become a chess grandmaster. So it's just an example, and see the result with generative AI is responses. So it's showing that it's an experimental feature and info quality may vary. Okay, so still we can rely on the information here because we can see that it's just a common question and we have a good response. To become a chess grandmaster, a player must meet two requirements. So these are the grandmaster requirements. I don't know much about grandmaster, so I'm just going to search a different topic. So let's search for Philip Lai. And we can see, we have to click on generate. Okay, we can see that Philly is a free cloud-based file sharing platform that allows users to transfer files between devices. So it's showing exact results. Philly is actually a file sharing platform. You can see that the first website here, it's phillyfly.com. It says that #1 free file sharing platform. So this is how it works. So as you can see, the result, it's actually correct result. We can search for different thing also here. We can search for Pixie tools to see the AI generated response. Alright, so this time it is correct again. So you can enable this search engine generative AI experimental feature of Google by going to this icon and just turning on this button. You can see more information by clicking here about this generative AI search, and you can turn it on through your mobile device also. Just see here a photo is here. When you open your Google app, you can just see an icon on the top left corner of your phone. Just click on there and then enable agree the privacy policy, and you are ready to use generative AI on your Google search engines. So that's all for today. I hope you find it useful, and this was so common, but still I made this video because some people might have looking for this. If not, it's not a problem. I'll come up with new ideas, new videos in coming weeks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Have a good day. Bye bye.